Hi, Jackie here. Welcome to Jackie Burns Creations. Today it is a $10 dollar store challenge. The host is Domestic Diva, Sonja, and she is one really talented lady. Check her out. So this challenge was to take anything from any dollar store and have it under $10. So what I've got here is I've got a cone. It comes in a set of 2, so that's 50 cents. I've got this sheet moss, and I used 1.5. That was $1.50. And what I'm doing is I'm gluing the sheet moss to the cone. Now, this sheet moss from Dollar Tree isn't all that great, but it'll do in a pinch. So what I'm doing then is going to wrap this around, and I'm also using nautical rope. That's $1. I am using some moss stones, the smaller ones, and that was $1. I'm using 5 succulents, so that's $5. And I used a floral pick. So here you can see I'm taking another half of the sheet to cover up. Doesn't have to be perfect because you're going to cover it with a lot of things anyway. To tell you the truth, I really like the moss sheet from Michael's. This one is very stiff. So I did take a little bit of moss. I didn't count that in my price. I've always got moss hanging around. Did take a little bit of moss to cover up the top. A little pinch. Let me tell you about Sonja. Sonja is like one talented lady. She's been in a few collabs I've been in, and I've watched her channel for quite a while, and she just comes up with some fantastic things. So like I said, check her out. And she's got a bunch of other collabs set up until August, so they should be fun. So I'm wrapping the nautical rope around. Every once in a while, put a little bit of glue on it. I don't know why. I usually use Gorilla Sticks, but my Gorilla Sticks were being super stringy tonight. Okay, I am getting toward the bottom. And as you see, I'm going to get rid of my mess. Oh, moss is so fun to play with. It looks beautiful, but oh, what a pain. Anyway, I'm going to twist it all around the bottom. That way you can't see the orange cones sticking out. Excuse me if I speed things up. I have to for time's sake. Being fairly new to YouTube, they only give me 15 minutes to do my video. But usually that's enough. You cut and edit and you speed up. And I have so enjoyed doing YouTube. I don't know if I've said it before, but I used to be an art teacher. And then after I left teaching out of school, I taught from kindergarten to 8th, and I taught at an art center in a place called Lehigh. And I did that for a few years, and then the gal that was running it, she left. So I haven't taught there for a couple of years. I haven't checked back with them either, but doing YouTube this way, it's fantastic. I don't even have to get dressed. I crack myself up. Anyway, so it's fun to do. And you don't talk back like the kids do. Or do you? You could always talk back in comments if you want. So I'm gluing on the succulents. And I did another cone that was bigger. These cones are great. Like I say, this cone comes in a 2-pack, these little ones. And then you got the great big one. It is $1 for just that one. And I'm going to upload the video I did with that one where I put lemon vine all over it. But in the meantime, here I go with the succulents. I love playing with the succulents. I guess I must like the reddish orange color because I sure had a lot of them. Guess next time I go I'll have to pick up some green ones. Trying to figure out where I'm going to place that one. And I noticed some of them I can just tuck behind the rope. And here's the greenery I'm using. Cutting it all apart. There's little flowers in there and there's green parts. Most of it I ended up putting a little glue on, but tucking it in the rope. At first I thought I wanted mostly the sheet moss to show, but then as I got going, I decided to add more and more of the leaves from the greenery pick to it. Really fill it out. what these little pom-pom things are. I tucked a few here and there. Texture, color, it has it all. Now I'm adding some moss balls to bare spots. Give it a little bit more shape and texture. And I didn't think about it, but it would be really pretty if you put it on a really pretty blue plate, kind of like that succulent one I did before. I'll have to look and see if I can find one. Just to make it stand out so nice. You could put it in any galvanized tray or anything. And it's not large, doesn't take up a lot of room. See, here it is, all finished, and I really want to thank you all for coming and watching, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the playlist. I don't know who's going to be on there yet, but I am sure there will be some fantastic creations. I just love the challenges and the collaborations. So there, I turned it around so you could get a good look. And if you are new to my channel, I hope you subscribe. I'm trying to get up to 1,000. I'm almost up to 300. And I thank everybody who has joined my channel. Okay, goodbye for now and see you soon.